Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a pop of color that stays vibrant throughout the day, I think you'll find today's feature particularly interesting. We're exploring the theBalm Autobalm Girl Powder Cheek Palette, a compact powder palette designed to deliver long-lasting blush and highlight in both matte and shimmery finishes. Right off the bat, the palette catches your eye with its playful design, but beyond the aesthetic, it offers full coverage color meant to enhance your cheeks with a natural yet buildable glow. It's a powder-based formula, so it's lightweight, blendable, and designed to layer without looking cakey. The shades range from soft, subtle pinks to brighter, more pigmented tones, making it versatile enough for everyday wear or a more dramatic look. In testing it myself, I found the application surprisingly smooth. The powders glide onto the skin effortlessly and blend seamlessly without tugging, which can sometimes happen with more powdery formulations. The matte shades are perfect for adding a natural flush, while the shimmery shades give a subtle highlight that catches light beautifully without looking glittery. I tried layering the colors for more intensity, and they held up well, even after a full day of wear. One thing I noticed is that the pigmentation is quite strong, so a light hand is key for achieving a natural look. The texture and ease of use are definite highlights. The palette is also incredibly convenient to travel with, compact enough to fit in a makeup bag without worrying about spillage. On the flip side, because the powders are finely milled, there can be a bit of fallout, especially with the shimmery shades, so a light sweep of the brush or tapping it off before applying is recommended. Looking at value for money, the palette is positioned in the mid to high price range, but the quality of the pigments, blendability, and versatility make it feel justified. Compared to other blush and highlight palettes I've tested, theBalm holds its own with a unique mix of shades and finishes that cater to multiple skin tones. It may not replace every single palette in your collection, but it's a strong contender if you're looking for a palette that combines playful design with practical performance. The palette feels well built, with sturdy packaging that doesn't feel flimsy. I've been using it daily for a couple of weeks, and the powder shows no signs of crumbling or losing pigment. While I haven't needed to contact theBalm customer service, the brand generally has a solid reputation for addressing inquiries and ensuring customer satisfaction. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other powder blush and highlight palettes that provide similar pigmentation, but theBalm stands out for its mix of shades and the long-lasting finish. It's especially worth considering if you value both aesthetics and performance in one compact. So, would I recommend the theBalm Autobalm Girl Powder Cheek Palette? Absolutely. If you enjoy playful, pigmented colors that blend beautifully and hold up throughout the day, this palette is for you. It's perfect for those who want both matte and shimmery options in a single, convenient kit. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've already tried this palette, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.